Nobody plans to wake up one day owing $250,000. It doesn't happen overnight. It starts with one credit card, then a car, then student loans, then life throws something unexpected at you. This is the story of Jake Miller, a regular American whose debt quietly changed every decision he made. Maybe you'll recognize parts of your own life. Level 1, debt-free. Jake was 23, fresh out of community college in Columbus, Ohio. He worked as a maintenance technician, earning about $52,000 a year. His apartment was small. His furniture came from Facebook Marketplace. His car had over 180,000 miles, but every Friday evening he slept peacefully. No bills besides rent, no loan payments, no collection calls. Friends joked that he looked poor. Jake laughed. He wasn't poor. He simply owned everything he used. He could quit his job tomorrow if he wanted. He had something many people didn't. Freedom. But freedom often looks boring. Jake wanted what everyone else seemed to have. Level 2, small debt, $3,000 to $10,000. His first credit card arrived in the mail, $7,000 limit. Build your credit. The commercials made borrowing sound responsible. Jake bought a gaming PC, a new television, weekend trips, restaurant dinners, monthly payment, only $95. It felt affordable, until interest started growing. Months later, he realized he'd paid hundreds of dollars, yet his balance barely moved. Debt wasn't hurting him yet. It was simply stealing tomorrow's paycheck. Quietly, without making any noise. Level 3, normal American debt, $25,000 to $60,000. Jake got promoted. Now earning $71,000, he celebrated the promotion by buying a brand new pickup truck. The dealer smiled. $620 a month. It fits your income, Jake agreed. Soon after, he financed furniture, then electronics. His monthly bills became truck.insurance, credit card.phone, internet, subscriptions, furniture loan. None of them looked dangerous individually. Together, they consumed nearly half his paycheck. Jake noticed something strange. Every raise disappeared before payday even arrived. He wasn't earning more. He was simply making larger payments. Level 4, heavy debt, $80,000 to $150,000. At 31, Jake married Emily. Together they bought their first home. Mortgage, property taxes, home insurance, closing costs. Then reality happened. The water heater failed. Roof repairs, air conditioner replacement, medical bills after Emily's emergency surgery. Nothing was luxurious, just life. The credit cards came back. Their emergency savings disappeared within months. Jake started calculating every grocery trip. Not because they were irresponsible, because unexpected expenses don't ask permission. The couple argued more, not about love, about money. Studies often show finances are one of the biggest sources of stress in relationships. Jake now understood why. Debt wasn't just numbers, it changed conversations. Sleep, confidence, marriage. Level 5, crushing debt, $150,000 to $300,000. Then came layoffs. The manufacturing company downsized. Jake lost his job. Mortgage still due. Truck payment still due. Insurance still due. Credit card minimums still due. Debt never loses its job. Only people do. Jake applied everywhere. Weeks became months. He drove for delivery apps, sold old tools, cancelled streaming services, skipped vacations, stopped eating out. For the first time, He was afraid to answer unknown phone numbers. Collectors called daily. His credit score dropped. Buying groceries became stressful. One missed payment became 3. Interest kept growing. Debt was now creating more debt. Jake realized something painful. When you're drowning financially, everything costs more. Higher insurance, higher interest, lower opportunities. Being broke is expensive. Level 6. The turning point. One evening, Jake opened every single bill, no hiding, no guessing, just facts. He wrote every debt on a whiteboard. Mortgage, truck, credit cards, medical bills, personal loan. It looked terrifying, but for the first time, it was visible. He sold the truck, bought a used sedan, picked up weekend maintenance jobs. Emily returned to work part-time. Every tax refund went toward debt. Every bonus attacked the highest interest balance. No new debt. No lifestyle upgrades. Just consistency. The progress felt painfully slow, but debt grows slowly. It also disappears slowly. Month after month, the balances started shrinking. The collection calls stopped. Breathing became easier. 5 years later, Jake wasn't rich. He still lived in the same house, still drove an older car, still packed lunches for work, but something had changed. His paycheck finally belonged to him again. Debt had once decided where every dollar went. Now, Jake decided. He realized something most people never hear. The goal isn't becoming a millionaire. The first goal is becoming financially free, because someone earning $80,000 with no debt can often sleep better than someone earning $250,000 while drowning in payments. Debt isn't always bad. A mortgage that fits your budget can help build a home. Student loans can increase future income. But borrowing without a plan quietly steals choices from your future. Every payment you eliminate gives you another piece of your life back. The question isn't how much money you make, it's this: how much of your paycheck still belongs to you? Which level of personal debt have you experienced, or are you living through right now? Share your story in the comments. Someone reading it might realize they're not alone. And if you enjoy real-life stories about money, work, and building financial freedom, subscribe for more videos every week.